do a demo of each one of those tools to show y'all how effective this is. Overview of AI in the business context. AI, artificial intelligence, involves the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. In the business world, AI is used to automate processes, analyze data, and enhance customer interaction, among other applications. How many times you went on a website or you bought something from a company and you wanted to talk to somebody, but you can't get nobody? Now they got AI chatbots that when you go on the website, any question that you ask, that chatbot can answer it, and if they can't answer it, they're going to refer you to a human being. Imagine how many people it saves from having to wait to the next day to get an answer. And think about trying to make a decision. You don't have time to sit there and do all the thinking. Now you have a tool that will enhance your decision-making process, which will reduce time for you, that will help you be more efficient, because you got to spend less time thinking and more time doing. AI helps you with that, because AI ain't nothing but human intelligence in a computer program. So what they've done, they took human intelligence and they put it in a supercomputer. So with this supercomputer, I can get you a decision when I'm having a Zoom call, a Microsoft Teams call, a WebEx, anything, Google Meet, in person. This tool right here, it's an AI-powered tool designed to transcribe meetings and take notes automatically. It integrates seamlessly with popular conference platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and more. The key features and benefits of this software is automatic transcription, records and transcribes meeting in real time, ensure that no important details are missed. Searchable transcripts allows you to search through transcripts for specific keywords, making it easy to find and review important points. Collaboration, share meeting notes and transcripts with teams, enabling collaborative reviews and follow-ups. Integration connects with your calendar and conference to automatic join and record your meeting. You don't even have to tell this to show up. All you gotta do is have it on your calendar. When somebody sends you a calendar invite, that AI tool already knows when that meeting starts, it's in there recording, taking notes for you, it picking key points and things like that. And I want to give you a demonstration of that because I have one. This right here is a meeting that I was in yesterday. And I was meeting with my business partner and we was talking about value-based consulting. I don't have time to write notes because instead of me trying to catch what you're saying, and now I need to catch what you're saying and respond and give you an accurate and efficient answer that's gonna help you get to the next level. So in this meeting, it gave an overview of the meeting. It told us what we talked about. Also, it gave us an outline of the meeting, what we talked about, different things. And then you can scroll on down, then here go my notes, what we talked. There's one thing we talked about. We talked about this. Like, these are the notes that it takes. So, instead of you having an assistant to write these things, now you got a tool to write these things. And this tool right here is very cost efficient. It's only $29 a month. A person costs $400-500 a week. So think about the cost savings in there. Also, this is not the replacement assistant, this is the helping assistant. So if you're in a big company and you got an assistant, you want your assistant focused. So if the assistant can take these notes and copy and paste into your company template and send it out to the team, just make her job easy. Because now she don't have to worry about taking this home with her. How many times anybody had an assistant around here have taken work home? Because you got too much to do. This tool right here helps eliminate that. It helps you be proactive. It helps you be proficient. It drives efficiency. It's not to take the job, it's to make the job better. I use this all the time. This is my go-to. Me and Stacy, we had a conversation. And he didn't believe me, and I showed him. And after he got through transcribing that conversation, we were just making stuff up, but it summarized the whole conversation and pulled out action items as I was interviewing him. This is one tool that I highly recommend to small business owners, especially if you do a lot of real estate Zoom calls, if you do any kind of consulting, any kind of marketing consulting, and things like that. You need this because not only you have it, but you can set it up where you can, after they finish transcribing, it'll email it directly to who you was on the meeting with as well. So they'll have the same thing you got. So when the wires get crossed, they won't say, well, you said this, I said this. No, we said this. It helps you. Because one thing about it, being a small business, you don't want to be in a legal battle. This eliminates that. Because now you have something that records your whole conversation. Video, audio, and everything. And even you can go to, this is the sign of everything. Then blockers, what challenges we had. It picks up all of that. One of the challenges that he had, he needed to understand the current price to calculate the ROI. Because that's what we talk about. But then when you go down here, it gives an overall sum of the whole thing. But then you got transcribe right here where you can pull audio from. Not only that, you go right here to the video. Now we have a video, and you can look at the video and things like that. So this is one thing that you can use, in meetings and things like that. Next slide. Click up for project management. This is another tool that I use. And this tool right here, this is a powerful tool. You don't have to be in. And it's part of my project, it's part of something that I'm managing a project on. It'll automatically add that task and assign it to you. And put it in a task list based on what we discussed. Like that's streamlined. So now I don't have to go and look for a task because that task has already been placed in a task list, categorized, and got all the information that it needs, and I can manage that task. But a little bit about this AI tool, it's an all-in-one project management tool designed to help teams manage tasks, collaborate on projects, and track progress efficiently. It offers a highly customized platform that adapts to unique needs of different. It's like maybe $12 a month. I think I paid $144 for a whole year for this tool. And this tool has saved me so much time. It got a thing called AI Brain. It's a brain for whatever you want to do. You can do marketing plans, you can do mind mapping, you can do anything in there. You can track time, you can do task management, time tracking, document management, goal setting. It has so many automations. And also it integrates with everything. When I say everything, it integrates with everything.
I missed what you said that was. Is that project, that's not.
Click up project management. And I have a demonstration right here for it. Right here is the conference that I'm managing. So I have all my tasks and everything that needs to be done, my milestone, everything. But then it also have a dashboard, like you can look at dashboards and things like that, like all of this stuff. Like you can look at, okay, what task, like this task just got closed. And you can go to all kinds of things like this week's task, like it shows everything that's on this project. It got time sheets, you can take clips, like one of the spaces right here, I'm working on some software. So this is my software project plan that I've been working on. I finished the program. Now I'm going into another development on my software. But one thing that I like about this software right here is I'm gonna create a new project just to play around from template. I can go in here and different simple templates that you can go from. Like marketing got 110 templates. You can create an action plan, all hands on meeting, advertising plan, like all kind of things. Like just think about if you planning a social media campaign and you want to create a task list to track your social media campaign as well as measure the progress of your social media campaign. You can do that in this software. You can create documents, you can create checklists. Like all of this stuff is already pre-made, project plans. All you have to do is go in and take what they already created and put your information in. Like everything is automated. You can assign tasks, assign people, different things like that. Like it's so much that you can do with this software. And it's so efficient that they have a university that you can go to and learn the software for free. You don't even have to buy the software to go to the university. All you have to do is go to the university. You can learn the software for free, and they constantly coming out with new updates. Every week. Like this software is a great tool. Another thing in the software. Collapse this. Go down. Just think about you problem solving. So if you got a problem, you can go ahead and create a 5 why and problem solve and get to the root cause of the problem that you have without having it go into a template. So now you have all your problems archived in the cloud, where you don't have to worry about paper or nothing like that. This software is one of my favorite software. And I'm a Microsoft project guy, and I used to use Monday, and I use a whole lot of different tools. But when I got this software right here, I canceled a lot of my subscriptions. And I was paying, for my Microsoft project, I paid $1,200 for it. This right here on $144 a year. And it's cloud-based. And I can have it on my iPad and my phone. Microsoft project, I can't do that. And it helps you with calculating budgets and things like that. All of that is built into the software. You can take things from other platforms and you can upload it into that software, and it'll create a plan based off from another software. And it have over 600 integrations. So it integrates with everything. QuickBooks, whatever software you run, this software integrates with it. Next slide. This one right here gonna be fun. Next one I use is ChatGPT for customer service and content creation. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI designed to generate human-like text based on the inputs it receives. It can also be used for a wide range of applications, including customer service, automation, content creation, and more. Who in here do a lot of content creating? You do a lot of content. Do you use ChatGPT?
Yeah.
You got your own GPT?
Yeah.
How did it work for you?
It's been working great. It saved me a lot of time.
Yeah. I'm telling you. How long you been training your GPT?
Probably only 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Gotta get a little bit more ahead of that. What you use for?
I visited today to type in the prompt, create a donation letter with different options, like ongoing options, or event options, and stuff like that. And we do like organization, and all of the
Yeah. That's good. And how much time did it save you? It- 2-3 minutes? Less than that? Who else uses ChatGPT? What you use GPT for?
Well, me, I'm currently in college, so I I use to help out for my schoolwork, like to help out with essays,
Yeah.
example, and then just pull what I can from it, but not everything.
Yeah. Yeah. You got a paid version?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a paid version. Man, you missing out. The paid, I'm gonna show you what the paid version looks like.
You can't do graphics though, can you?
Yeah, you can do graphics.
On the free version?
Oh.
No, on the free.
No, not on the free version, you can't do graphics.
Okay.
You probably do it on the new free version, because they got the ChatGPT 4.0. The ChatGPT you probably do free. You probably do graphics and things like that. I'm gonna show you all some stuff. Come on, Miles. We make a good time too. So I want to use somebody's business in here. Who want to give me their business name? What's the name of your business?
Legal side hustle.
Legal Size. All right. You got a website and stuff?
Not at the moment. Right now we're using LinkedIn and Beacon links to send them to all our social media platforms.
Okay. I'm gonna say 4. Right here is telling you, it's giving you an outline of what to do. Now that we got the outline, now we're going to create the content.
And that's marketing what? That's the other word.
Marketing, maybe that's a marketing GPT that I created just for marketing, for content creation. Now, now you have your content for your, all you gotta do is copy and paste that and make it. That's your status right now. And we just did that in how long?
Less than a minute. Yeah.
It's not here to take a job, it's to make a job done. Now, we're gonna create an image. I can't spell that, but it is what it is.
So
Yeah.
So like you said, create an image for this campaign, is picking up on previous prompts.
Yeah.
I thought you just said design or design.
No. They don't even want us to be great today, because we learning something. Gotta regenerate it. Alright, now for the regenerate the image. You didn't know that they create images on Courtney?
Huh?
You didn't know that, like, this right here is a conversation. So whatever the conversation is about, it's gonna always create something based on that conversation. I got some, things that I've done, like 6 months ago. I can go back and forth that like a year and a half ago, and it got the whole conversation from a whole year. And I can go back in there and go into that and it still pick up on, because it pick up on the language. What you train it on, that's how it responds. This the image you created.
So how do I get it to spell correctly on the image? That been my only problem.
Like, you can put in, with the correct spelling or anything, like, I really don't create a lot of my images on
Okay.
this.
Okay.
When I want to create an image, I use Adobe Firefly.
Okay.
So Adobe Firefly is another
Is it AI?
AI generated image creator, and it's part of the Creative Cloud. So if you get a chance, like, it's free for like so many generations for how many images you generate. But after that, I pay for the subscription, so it's unlimited in the subscription. But yeah,
So do this do video too?
no, not yet. When they release the new GPT-5, which they should be releasing that for by the end of the summer, it's gonna do video. But I do have an app that does text to video,
Okay.
and I'll give it to you when we get out of here. But yeah, I got an app that do text to video. All you gotta do is write a script and upload that script into the app, and then it'll make a video off the script. Put everything together. Real video. You don't have to pay nobody to do a video. All you gotta do is create a script. And once you create a script, and also you don't even have to create a script in ChatGPT. You can create a script directly in the app, because they have AI inside the app as well. All right, back to ChatGPT. The key features and benefits of this software is conversational AI. So, what you put in is what you're gonna get out. I tell anybody, it's just like a brain. You be specific with it, you're gonna get specific results. If you be vague with it, the results gonna be very vague. So you have to be specific with it when you prompting it, when you typing something in. You gotta tell it exactly what you want to do. Because if you don't, it's gonna give you a whole lot of nothing. But if you be direct with it, it's gonna give you a direct result. It's gonna give you a direct output. It's for content creation. It can generate high quality written content for blogs, social media, marketing material, and more. I use it a lot. Personalization, it can be tailored to respond to in a specific tone and style aligned with your brand's voice. Like, just say if your brand has a voice. How many people here knew that their brand had a voice? Your brand have a voice. If your brand don't have a voice, you need to create one. And you need to create a voice for your brand, because that's your brand voice speaks for you before you do. Another thing is 24/7 availability. You can provide around-the-clock support to customers, ensuring inquiries are addressed promptly. If you use this as your bot, you can integrate ChatGPT into your website. Wix, it's easy in Wix. I don't know about anything else, but in Wix it's easy. And also scalability. It's easily scaled to handle increasing customer interactions as your business grows. So you don't have limits on your business when you using ChatGPT. Next slide. Seamless AI for lead generation. This tool right here is very, very scary. And the reason why, if the information is out there, you can get it. You can get a personal email, personal phone number, company email. You go to a website, it'll tell you everybody working in that company. This is very, very useful, especially if you're doing lead generation. How many people here do lead generation? Have to do lead generation for their business? I know you have to do lead generation. Anybody else have to do lead generation? Have to find their customer, have to do prospecting and things like that? What kind of business you got?
CPR certification, specifically, I geared towards medical people who have to have it.
Yeah.
Every other year, but I also teach it to people who just need to know something.
So just say you reach out to a lot of people that is in environmental health and safety. So when you look